Hello my friends, in this video I can show you how to unlock any iPhone as a passcode like iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay. Hey guys, welcome again in my new video. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock a smartphone's PIN passcodes for iPhone. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure that your iPhone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. Sorry, only passcode lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video properly till the end. Your iPhone will be unlocked today 100%. If my previous video didn't work on your iPhone and your iPhone could not unlock, then don't worry. By the new method what I am going to give in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video properly till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work in your iPhone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your iPhone should not battery charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data in your iPhone you have in your iPhone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your iPhone at least 30%, or else you can charge your iPhone at the time of use this method to unlock your iPhone. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your iPhone will not unlock with this trick, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos. And for this, you must subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if your iPhone will be unlocked with this help of this video, then do the like video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video to help you further. Okay. First of all, whenever your iPhone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your iPhone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your iPhone, locked iPhone. Okay. Now you have to use many options here, like I can show you. This is the iPhone 14 Plus. You can see that, and this is logged, and I'm gonna unlock this iPhone. Okay, this is the option of put your passcode here. Okay, I am going to put a wrong password here for checking my iPhone is logged or unlocked. 79422. This is the logged iPhone. You can see that, and I'm going to unlock this iPhone. So I have to repeat. I have to click the emergency option here, and you can see that this is the emergency call option, and I'm put offline mode code *8888 and hash. You have to call this code for a once, and this is the Face ID again, and you have to again try a wrong password here, 3935. Okay, this gonna not unlocked. I am click on cancel button. This you can see that, my friend, this code is not working. So clear this code. Again, you can click the cancel button. You can come back in this page. You can also click here emergency call option, and you can start dialing a *# 993139 and hash. This is the master unlocking code. You have to call this code and repeat the same code in your iPhone passcode. Use passcode, click and use that code 9931 and 39. And you can see, my friends, your iPhone is completely unlocked. As you can see here, your iPhone is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any iPhone at your home. If your iPhone is still not unlocked, in that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will reply to your comment in just only 2 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your iPhone model. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.